Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show security notifications on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the settings button down below on the right side corner, scroll down and click on account, tap on security notifications, which is the first option, and here you can see show security notifications on this phone feature in the middle of the screen. If you would like to enable it, all you have to do is clicking on this button on the right side of the screen. So you will get notifications when your security code changes for a contact's phone in an end-to-end encrypted chat. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.